Integrated financial planning for universities. You will be familiar with the problems of financial planning with Excel.
Multiple linked spreadsheets,
Hard to compare scenarios.
slow, inefficient and error-prone. This often results in long planning cycles,
Difficult to explain plans.
unable to make critical decisions. With Corporate Planner, a single model can deliver
Integrated I&E balance sheet and cash flow plans. University, faculty and school planning.
subsidiaries,
Multi-campus.
overseas ventures,
Scenarios.
devolved planning,
In-year and long-term plans.
Navigation is easy using the visual tree hierarchy.
Select the faculty and school. Drill down in tables.
Select scenarios.
Choose your reporting period. Simply change from monthly, quarterly and annual reporting. Select your reporting layout or build your own. Report in HE SORP and any other internal or external reporting formats you require. Analyze, budget and report via your web browser. Rapid self-service management reporting packs.
The workflow enables you to quickly understand and edit the model. Changing the model structure is simple. Add new accounts via import routines or dialog boxes. Drag and drop the accounts and create your own hierarchies.
Restructures are simple. Drag and drop to form the new university structure. Both old and new structures can be shown in the same model.
Logic blocks help to create clear, transparent plans. Select or create your own payment profiles. Select the appropriate VAT rates. Update the plan values using top-down or bottom-up methods.
Use the fixed asset register to plan the university estate. Specify additions. Define the payment plans. Set the depreciation method. All depreciation and asset changes are calculated automatically. Corporate Planner Finance cuts through all the problems with Excel. You create fully integrated dynamic plans quickly, reliably and transparently. This saves you time, the results are clearer, and the university is better equipped to make the right operational and strategic decisions. You can implement Corporate Planner Finance in as little as 2 weeks to add real value to the current budget round and help you achieve long-term financial sustainability. Find out more today. Contact us at sales@account-ability.co.uk.